Hi, hello. No audio? Audible? Are you
Hi,
audible?
hello.
Yes, no audible ആണ്.
0613 0613 6 6
Yes, yes, audible ആണ്. Yes. Yeah. So, what's your view? Good evening. Yeah, good evening. Let me share my chart here. So, here we can see now I'm going to analyze the GBP USD chart as of now. This law has been taken, and this is the bearish break of structure, and in 50-minute time frame Asia, London manipulated this Asia zone, huge wicked out. After that, market came to this demand, from this demand, this point of interest. But in this scenario, we got a stop out here. This low has been taken. I just check this level for a buy in New York, but unfortunately this buy trade has been stopped out, negative 1 RR from this refined demand. Mouse is lagging. Yeah, this refined demand. The reason is for this failure. When we check to the 1 hour time frame, after the big wick out, this is the manipulation candle in London. This is the 1 hour London 12 p.m. candle. After that, this is the 1 p.m. candle. This is the institution's supply manipulation level, manipulation zone. Market came to this price level, instantly tap in New York and fall down. The reason for the SL, if the market, where is the price action tool? Yeah, sweep the low, and this is the internal breakout structure. After that, market directly go to the this supply level and instantly fall down. But I planned for a buy trade like this, but market already tapped this institution's supply level, then fail. That's the reason for this demand fail. That's the only reason to fail this zone. Otherwise, market, this is the blueprint expected reaction. But unfortunately, what happened? This didn't happen. higher high, higher low, higher high. After that, take the supply, institution supply, and market instantly take the sell. Those who buy this zone stopped out, and also this main demand also. This is the previous day low has been also taken out in this demand. So what's your view, and please let me know your views. And I think this is the new week, and this is the first opportunity. I just check. What about gold? Let's see what the gold is. Gold price action. Gold is forming higher highs and higher lows. Asia has been low swept and a break of structure. London is running. New York also running. Let's check out the higher time frame point of view. What currently gold is delivering the price. As we can see in daily time frame, what daily is demand already mitigated this demand after the internal breakout structure. This self start from this supply, daily supply, and now the market is mitigated to this daily demand also, as well as in 4 hour time frame, small breakout structure and internal change of character. Market is trying to collect internal range liquidities, so we can read the liquidity trend lines are forming. These trend lines manipulated this zone. After that, market is trying to bulling. So what about pattern traders look like? What about pattern traders look like? No. This is the manipulation what institution do plus retailers. It's a bearish pattern reaction in 1 hour time frame. Those who break and retest model, most of the pattern traders will sell this level, this break. The sell is already activated. Sell stops and sell stop or instant sell limit already activated this level. The stop loss would be like here, and this is the liquidity pool for them, and they're targeting these chart pattern model like this, but they will stop out as soon as possible like this. This is the main reason why pattern traders are failing sometime without the proper awareness of liquidity. Proper trend lines are forming. Those who plan for sell this level and already mitigated this demand in higher time frame picture. Trend line manipulated. Another trend lines are forming. Market can also react like this. Stopped out, and market can. It's a small drive in daily demand. Can expect a this manipulation. Equal highs, and this is the main supply in 1 hour. Liquidity fitting above the below this supply. So the supply is valid. internal break of structure, last higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower are forming. Already take out these trendline liquidity also. Now the current daily for intraday session traders. Now market in an internal range set, and this is a break of structure, but this is the extreme demand level, but I'm not confident regarding this demand. Need a deeper retracement. At least this is a big demand. At least 50% of this demand should have to mitigate. It will take time, maybe days. We can expect this week how the demand will respect for gold. Hi, Gino. Yes. Do you? What's your point of view in gold? Please let me know your view also. Bearish pennant, yes, yes, bearish pennant, and already those bearish pennant reaction, already some pattern traders already in a sell position here. The sell stop has been already activated in the same demand. This is the tricky part. This is the retail logic and institution logic. We need a both logic to understand what is the market is doing really. Will touch 3980, 3980, 3980. Let me 3980. Where is that level? Yeah, probably can touch that level. Now market in an internal range. So let's see the internal ranges. Internal price action is bullish. Internally market has already shifted to bearish to bullish. Now market is trying to collect liquidity, external highs targeting. Reversal can expect 960, right? 960 below. With only proper confirmation, we need a confirmation, at least multiple confirmation here. It's a big demand zone. If market fall like this is a bearish market. Personally, I need a internal shift to take a bullish buy side trade. Otherwise, not trade. The only thing is, impatient traders will lose the money and the patient traders make the money. Yeah, this low has been strong as of now. If market manipulate this trend line, maybe this low will take out. Chances, probability. Yeah, 83 points stop loss from this entry level, and those people are targeting 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 1.5, this demand low. I don't know if the demand is will break or not. In daily time frame, what we can see here, yeah, manipulated this is the price action daily. These are the daily candles. Stopped out, market tried to correction and didn't create a new lower low, and it become a higher high in internal range. Market is forming a trend line for uptrend move. Now the market in a, this is the demand zone for this internal push, and also we can see here this is the higher high is the all-time high for gold, and this lower low didn't yet confirm in daily bias. This low, if we need to confirm this is a lower high, this low should need to break, like mm, for daily to confirm this lower high need a this reaction, otherwise gold can move upward. uh, Trend lines are forming for daily, perfect trend line. Can you check euro USD? Yeah, sure. Yeah, let's check the euro USD. Let me clear everything. Yes. From week, what is the weekly price action? Bearish to bullish is the last weekly candle, and this is this week candle. Last week market has closed in bullish, and we can see here this low has been picked out. It's a liquidity trap. Mm, it's like a body break, so we can consider a break of structure in weekly, bearish break of structure, and daily, yes, break of structure, but this is in an inefficiency level, like called imbalance, like that. We can expect a demand like that. Sweep, break of structure, highs, yeah. The same thing we already do the same thing every live in Euro USD. Yeah, already respected the supply also. This week market has already mitigated the supply and falling in daily. Internal range, internal break of structure, and this is the another supply. Liquidity also feeding. What is now happening right now? Daily shift. Hello, yeah. Can you check NSD USD sell? Yeah, sure. Euro USD as of now in a internal range, higher time frame, supply mitigation happen, sellers phase, this is correction phase. Overall, what is happening? Trend lines are forming. Manipulate this trend line. It's a liquidity level also. In 1 hour time frame, this is a proper trend line. Pull off liquidity for retail traders. Those who try to, some traders will make some money in this move. Break retest break model or retest model. Market will offer. The only thing is our perspective. All these swept can expect a bullish market for Euro USD. What in 50-minute time frame it's ranging. In 50-minute time frame, here is we can see what is the structure is forming. Lower high, lower high, lower low. After that, step. This high should have to break to confirm in 50-minute. Bullish. Can call a change of character or market structure, momentum shift. Hello sir, what do you think this week gold will come down around 9? Personally, I don't trade in long time. I trade in intra session based trading. I own. I do session trading. I don't do the overnight holding trades. I'm not interested in trading overnight trades, position trades. This high should have to break to confirm this low. Currently, we don't have trade opportunity in gold in my view, and also last higher high, market came to the supply, mitigated, fall down. It's a perfect sell opportunity, November 14th. Oh, nice. Missed that trade. At what time? London. Sorry, New York. New York sell the market. Next day, I think Monday. This is the Friday trade. Anyone catch this trade? In Euro USD sell on last Friday. It's a good opportunity. Yeah, this is the only view currently. In 50-minute time frame, we can see clearly in a ranging trendline break, retest confirm. Now the market in a bearish, where we can start the trend line. We can plot from here to here. No, we can like this. Yeah, already manipulator trying to manipulating breaking this trend line. It's a higher time frame trend line. If this break, we can confirm this low. Look for a buy in Euro USD. Someone asked the NSD USD. Let's dive into NSD USD. Overall market structure is bearish in NSD USD in weekly time frame. So we can consider these. We can only focus this. This is the previous years. So we don't need to focus on these levels. concept, breakout structure, internal. Yeah. Now market in a discount zone in weekly. This is yesterday, last week weekly candle can come this level to retest this level maybe. Open and close level daily. Say demand also. Eco structure. Yeah, market in a bearish. So extremely in a market in a demand zone. This high internal range, internal breakout structure. 4 hour. Yeah, breakout structure, change of character, trend lines are forming, manipulations are already doing in these trend lines. Liquidity traps, and also mitigated this demand. This high targeting, this is the we can expect this a weak high to target. Yeah. Structure, liquidity, up. We are in a 1 hour time frame. Last already mitigated. 1 hour time frame. It's a clean liquidity trap. Inducement. Inducement happen, and 50-minute time frame we can see there is an internal breakout structure. Yeah, probably this demand is I think this is a trap zone for early buyers. Low. I trade in a time based refined demand. Need another confirmation from this level also. Property high on, yeah. Let's see. Currently no buy or sell. Only tap in high time frame demand. Market in a bullish market. Market always do the loop, internal to external, external to internal, to collect liquidity. The fuel of that's the fuel to move the market. Agils are, yeah, high. If you don't know the liquidity, we will trap. I know liquidity, I also trap. Perspective will change sometime. Analysis come wrong. No problem. Focus on the weekly targets or monthly targets. What percentage you need to book for this month based on your capital. The aim is to protect your capital first. Profit is secondary. Manipulated. You can also plan for this. This is the 1 hour candle. This is the strong manipulation candle. I'm considering this manipulation candle as a demand zone. Stopped out. Early buyers will take this like by limit, stop loss, target this high like that. Need a confirmation in lot when we place in 50-minute time frame in a day. Confirmation. Please GBP JPY. Strong low buy. No, best. Strong low buy on best. Yeah. Focus on strong. If you buy, focus on strong low. If you sell, focus on strong highs. To understand that, you need a market structure knowledge. Strong low buy with confirmation, not sell. Some people will do the corrective way. Hmm. GBP JPY. What's your view? Gino, GBP JPY. What's your view? Ah, top down analysis very mandatory. Whereas here now market in a premium zone. This is last year. This year market is came in last year supply. Already manipulated this trend line from here. What is going on? Can expect a, if we tap this level, can expect a fall in GBP JPY with a confirmation. Yes, strong high internal breakout structure, aggressive fall in last year of July, August. Oh, it's a big fall. After that, market is trying to. We need a confirmation. We need a confirmation to sell this level. No multiple confirmation. When we analyze the internal ranges, this is the external ranges that I marked. Now we are going to the internal ranges. Another internal trend lines are forming. This high forward trend line manipulated. It's a equal low. It's a liquidity trap model. Equal low. Number 412. This is the recent price action. We can focus. This is a recent price action, and what forever is telling. Yeah, this is the manipulation candle. It's a demand level. Internal breakout structure. What structure? Liquidity is here. Yeah, we can expect this level for a buy with a confirmation. Swept. Yeah, liquidity also take out. Breakout structure. Liquidity feeding. This low. So liquidity level. No pattern gimmicks here. Target this level. Last Friday manipulation candle. This trend line manipulated. Those who trade in 50-minute time frame or low time frame, such things. Here you can see the pattern formation in 50-minute also. It's a symmetrical triangle like that. What about counter trade? Counter trade is quite risky. You can trade if you are confident. I also trade counter trade. Basically, it's all about the time frame. What time frame basically we are trading? We can trade both sides with a proper market structure knowledge and liquidity knowledge. supply and demand knowledge, pure institutional logic. We can trade both sides. We need to aware the liquidity, where the liquidity is resting. That's the only reason that we need to know where retailers try to buy, where retail try to sell, where the stop loss are resting. That's the reason why basics is very important to scale up the advanced knowledge. If you, some people, I think some people will try to learn direct advance. No use. I prefer everyone in my classes also. Let's start with basics things and start think like basics. After that, learn advance. This is the whole process. Yeah, it's completely logical thinking. It's trading become when trading become easy. It's a logical thinking and practice you need to spend more time to learn how the price action, how the market is working. Every currency pair volatility is completely different. So first master the concepts and master the technical side, advanced side, and take some pairs and focus on that pairs only. That's the only reason why I am sticking to gold and euro USD and GBP USD, these three pairs in my personal trading for the last 2 years. Internal, it's a bullish, and this is a main correction. What is happening? This is the consolidation, like that. Not trading range. Not there is no trading in this zone. Channel data info. Yes, yes. It's a big channel also for me. Same. Yeah. If you have any other query doubts, please let me know. Now the watching is only 9. Shall we wind up this live? Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you for your time and watching this live. So next week we will sit again. Bye. Thank you.